Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated 23 August 2022. Indian equity markets shoot up today, giving an excellent recovery after falling for 2 consecutive days. Nifty closed at 17,577.50, that is 86.80 points up from previous close, leading to 0.50% up. Sensex closed at 59,031, that is 257.43 points up from previous close, leading to 0.44% up. On the stock-specific M&M, Eicher Motors and Bajaj Finserv were the top Nifty gainers. These stocks rose between 3.01% to 4.10% during the session. M&M stock rise today as brokerage firm Nomura is highly bullish on company's potential in electric vehicle sector. Royal Enfield parent firm Eicher Motors share price gained over 3% as global brokerage CLSA raised its target price on the stock. On the flip side, we have Infosys, TCS and TVS Lab as major laggers. Majority of loser stocks today are related to IT sector because, as per JP Morgan report, soaring inflation and hit from Ukraine war will create deeper impact on its margins, thus leading to bloodshed in IT sector. They fell within the range of 1.33% to 1.74%. Adani Group shares witnessed steep selling. Shares of 7 Adani Group shares fell by 0.13% to 5% after a research firm reportedly said in a report that Adani Group's debt-funded growth plans could spiral into a massive debt trap. Adani Power down 5%, Adani Green Energy down 4.42%, Adani Wilmar down 3.21%, Adani Transmission down 1.68%, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone down 1.23%, Adani Total Gas down 0.93% and Adani Enterprises down 0.13% tumbled. Adani Group is deeply overleveraged, with the group investing aggressively across existing as well as new businesses, predominantly funded with debt, the research report reportedly cited. The aggressive expansion pursued by the Adani Group has put pressure on its credit metrics and cash flow, the research firm said, adding that, in the worst-case scenario, overly ambitious debt-funded growth plans could eventually spiral into a massive debt trap, and possibly culminate into a distressed situation or default of one or more group companies. Information technology stocks were trading in the negative zone, with the S&P BSE IT sector index falling 510.39 points or 1.7% at 29,495.92 at 1:46 p.m. Among the components of the S&P BSE IT sector index, Infosys Limited down 4.16%, Matrimony.com Limited down 3.39%, Aurum PropTech Limited down 3.23%, Persistent Systems Limited down 2.64%, Tanla Platforms Limited down 2.62%, were the top losers. In terms of today's corporate news, we have the following developments. Bengaluru-based IT bellwether Infosys has slashed the average variable payout of employees to about 70% for June quarter given lower margins and higher employee costs. The company maintained a margin guidance at 21 to 23% but said it will be at the lower end of the outlook as higher employee benefit expenses, subcontracting costs and travel expenses shot up overall costs for the IT behemoth. The hardware and equipment firm executed business transfer agreement with GTID Solutions Development for acquiring their business and intellectual property rights for 2.25 crore rupees. With this agreement, TVS has entered into mobile POS software solutions and authentication solutions space. It will offer hardware along with required applications, digital payment solutions, cloud computing software solutions etc. to segments like retail, banks and government. The Capital Raising Committee of the Bank of Baroda in its meeting held on Monday has approved issuance of Basel III bonds for aggregate total issue size of 2,500 crore rupees in single or multiple tranches. Shares of Sterling and Wilson Renewable Energy traded with gains of about 3% on August 23 morning after the company said it bagged a big order from National Thermal Power Company. The total bid value, including operations and maintenance for 3 years, would be 2,200 crore rupees inclusive of taxes. Tata Consultancy Services announced that South Africa's Absa Corporate and Investment Bank has appointed the Indian IT giant to digitally transform its investment banking services. TCS will offer its BANCS platform to enable on-cloud trading and investment services for Absa CIB's clients. The services will be hosted on Amazon Web Services cloud platform and will help Absa improve speed as well as safety of transactions. NHPC signed an initial pact with Bharat Electronics Limited to set up a large capacity solar equipment manufacturing facility. A memorandum of understanding has been signed between NHPC and BEL for setting up a gigawatt scale vertically integrated solar manufacturing unit. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.